Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Greencastle, local and long-distance movers near me. We can move your things locally, outside the state, or at 3 movers. We are in good standing with the experts supervising the local and federal moving system. We have insurance plans set up because we care for our customers and their property. These insurance plans cover liabilities during the relocation process, and we have the most dedicated and reliable drivers and movers in our company who will move your belongings without losing them. You don't have to worry about us cheating you since our services are affordable and our charge is transparent. A local move is vastly less expensive than moving long distances. Our expenses are pretty reasonable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. And approved and committed local movers will guarantee content with their service and focus on your feedback. We're open to moving your belongings through massive urban networks and busy districts, so we understand how to move your belongings without issues. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greencastle moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.